All right, guys, we're here at the rug factory now. Hope you guys enjoyed that little mescal tour there. Welcome, welcome, Chicos. We actually forgot about our little stop here at the rugs.
I was looking forward to it.
Yeah.
And I forgot all about it.
Yeah, we were looking forward to it, and then we forgot all about it. It was such a great day seeing the petrified waterfalls. If you haven't seen that video, guys, make sure you go back and check it out. And we are here with our dear friend Samuel right over there, and David Laney. David Laney right there. So welcome, welcome, Chicos. Two Gringos on the Gulf here in Oaxaca. Let's go check out some homemade rug weaving. We got VIP service here with VIP Samuel.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, is that one?
Like a nut?
It's more coconut.
Smoked coconut.
Yeah.
They haven't matured to big coconuts?
It's really important because from this plant we get the blue dye.
The blue dye.
Yeah.
Okay.
With this plant we make the indigo.
Oh.
The indigo color with this plant.
Oh, okay. Heffa, she loves the indigo.
No way.
Yeah.
You can see.
We use this plant to make the indigo.
Carlos is the Harry Potter from Teotitlán del Valle. Teotitlán del
Mucho gusto.
Teotitlán
Nice to
del
meet you.
Valle.
Pepe.
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 Mucho gusto.
Here it's called
Carlos.
Teotitlán.
Jennifer.
Teotitlán del Valle.
Hola.
My
Where
wife.
it's
Heffa.
where it's
Heffa.
means
Heffa.
now what? Something.
Heffa's got all the money.
The language is Zapotec.
I got
And
nothing.
And the language in Zapotec means surrounded by
She has
mountains.
everything.
Yeah, look at.
¿Cómo se dice Teotitlán en zapoteco?
Yeah.
She's the boss.
Oh, there's the boss.
Yes.
The real boss.
Yeah, that is. She's the real boss.
Buenas tardes.
Gracias.
She's the nice.
Gracias.
Mira, onda, ¿cómo se llama?
Sisi.
Sí, ¿eh?
Se llama Sisi.
Sí.
He's the boss. He's Heffa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because our language, our work passed down generation by generation.
Beautiful.
Yeah, because in this time we still speak Zapotec. The Zapotec is the native language from this area. Okay, and I told me her to give you a welcome in Zapotec in order to you hear it, and then don't worry, I've translated. Okay. Teka.
Zaklechi. Asata juto. Bizena dio juto bala steno te galo juto to sto. Tonondi c'è un latich. La ruingich. La solione, la zetone. La dione contratta al quanti è ballata il che juto la vete. Beh, dar ani cu ești zactera lo spiteș ni aribe. To što ne kusta kondorion kadrakte. Si mette dir.
Gentle still. Okay.
Just learning.
Yeah. She told me good morning, welcome, and then give you a small introduction about the work. She mentioned the carding, the spinning, okay, all the sources that we use. She mentioned especially the fungus which lives on the cactus, is the cochineal, one of the most important dye. And at the final, she said, "Kasura kenrata in kunduniao." That means that we still make it with our hands.
Yeah.
Okay, everything is by hand.
No machines.
No machines. We use tools.
Yeah.
No machines.
Yeah, no machines. Yeah.
Okay. So now this is the raw material wool from the sheep. This is already clean if you want to feel it, to touch it. And we find different colors on sheeps. White, dark sheeps. Okay.
Blue
Oh, nice.
No. After some drinks,
Yeah.
red.
Some mezcal, yeah.
You can start rubbing, you can see any color you want.
Okay. Once we wash it, dry it, and we stop. This is the first step. This is the carding process. Okay. The carding usually is made by the children between 8 or 9 years old. We start in that age because that part is more practice, not really difficult. It's just practice every day. Okay? At first, it's something difficult because you don't have the technique. But once you have the skills and the technique, it's very, very easy. Okay? The carding is the purpose is clean it, but especially put it in one direction, align the fiber.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Look, no,
Oi! Oi!
look.
Look how easy she's making it.
It's not easy.
Put it on your
Yeah, on your left
leg.
knee,
How she has
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Okay.
For support. There you go, like that.
and make it softer. It's more.
Don't push so hard.
Yeah,
There
right.
you go.
Remember, it's more technique. It's not really muscles.
Yeah.
Because the person.
Also,
Yeah,
Like-
because the person who makes this has to do it all day.
All day, yeah.
So imagine it's muscles in 10, 20 minutes. It's completely tired. So you can feel the big difference.
Yeah, big difference.
Yeah, this is when we start, and this is the result.
Oh,
Turn
wow.
really
Never
soft.
soft. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, this is the main idea. Oh! Eso es cuando. No, eso es cuando. Si no, no tomaste el
making me a bed.
It's the same color.
Yeah. You want a little bed? Oh, wow.
Like the pattern, but now everybody can make all process. Okay. And in this case, the spinning wheel help us to twist.
No, well, okay.
Yeah.
Lady can break it, she can break it.
That's what
Give it a try, babe.
to relax.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you gotta do two things at once.
Yeah, it's coordination.
Yeah.
Yeah. It takes some practice for sure.
Yeah.
That's why she doesn't chew gum.
Yeah.
She can walk.
Now this part is just coordinate our hands.
There you go. You got her, babe.
My hands.
Yeah. Yeah, so you got to keep it on the edge of the stool there, right?
Yeah.
You know?
That's the noise.
There you go.
Yeah, you need you will slow. Yeah, right. Okay. But for example, the red wine nowadays, the red wine companies looking for a lot of cochinilla
Really?
to get the right red color.
Oh.
Yeah, and the cochineal it's a fungus
Oh, the fungus.
from the cactus.
Oh.
Yeah. So now in Oaxaca state we have a couple of villages with the people plant the cactus and infect it. They select the biggest and put it inside and then move it around the cactuses in order to infect
To get the fungus.
to get the fungus.
Oh.
This is really small, but we can I think
Yeah.
have color right now.
And it's not bad
Look.
for the cat.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
It's really small right now. I think it's only
Yeah.
15 days. The good cochinillas is around 90 days. Okay?
Wow.
So once becomes 90 days, we need to dry them. This is the dry cochinillas.
Okay.
Huh.
Wow.
The red wine makeups use this color because it's natural, it's not toxic, not poisonous for the
Yeah,
skin,
yeah.
body.
Yeah.
So in
All
this case, we
natural.
just need a blender to grind it.
So that turns into that?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
the color is inside.
Yeah, it's inside. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
That's amazing. Look at that, eh?
Oh yeah. So
So cool. Okay.
Wow.
yeah.
Incredible.
So our ancestors call it nochestli.
No chest
Nochestli means cactus blood.
cactus blood. Ah, that makes sense.
Yeah. But now the people who study the cochineal they said sorry, it's not blood. It's a dye. It's an a dye. Carminic acid. Carminic red.
Huh.
And now this is really interesting because
Super fine, eh?
yes, it's fine, and especially, for example, depends on your pH, the color turns different.
Oh.
Okay,
yeah.
now we make an experiment. Okay.
Yes.
Please. Yeah.
One.
I'm trying to give you the same quantity. The difference
It's water, okay?
is water to mix it.
It's only water.
Okay, now mix it, please.
Got dark man.
Yeah, look. Same thing, different pH
Oh, yeah.
of your skin. And the color is completely different.
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, cool.
So imagine,
Wow.
Let's do mine.
imagine
See what
how
mine
long
looks like.
the Zapotec people
Oh,
needs
look how
to
red mine is.
that.
Yeah.
Yours is like orange
Yes,
though.
really orange.
Orange. And hers is
That's
almost clear.
The native in me.
Okay, you can take you can put hands
Look at the
together.
difference.
Okay,
Look
put
at the
together
difference.
and take a picture because we
Yeah.
changed the color.
Look at the difference.
Okay, may I have
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Wow. I don't
Yeah.
know if I'm getting it here.
You are. You got to send that to me. Wow. That's crazy. And mine is way
Okay,
different.
this is
Okay,
the
now wait. Now, look.
Oh.
Oh, got to add the limon.
more acid.
More acid, yeah, from the limon.
Limon.
Ah. But look at mine is so different compared to your guys'. Your guys' is
No.
It's
Yeah.
Yeah.
white one.
yeah. Native.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay,
Wow.
put it together to take another picture.
Come, Daryl.
Oh,
Come. Come, come.
and now mine is similar.
Yeah.
But also
Wow.
different.
Wow.
Okay.
That's
Now-
crazy.
We make the opposite. Limestone, baking soda, different things to make different colors.
Pink.
Yes.
Rosa. Oh, it gets hot too.
Yeah, this is limestone.
It gets hot.
Yeah.
Oh, mine's purple now. Mine's the same as yours.
Beautiful.
Mine and yours are the same. And look at your guys are the same.
Like,
Yeah.
That is so bizarre.
Wow.
And it all was the same color.
so,
And it
so
all started,
All started out with the same thing, but
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
that's pretty.
we can make colors all day.
That's crazy. Yeah,
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 and it's just
all
cochineal, only the
natural.
cochineal.
yeah.
Yeah, it's around
That's
25, 30 different
That's-
shapes of threads.
Wow. Gracias.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Beautiful.
You can go up to like 35.
Some examples. Look,
Just with that.
Yeah,
Wow. Yeah.
just the cochineal.
yeah.
Okay.
Huh.
And it's just
Crazy.
crazy natural.
Because everybody thinks this fruit, pomegranate,
Oh, yeah.
will
Pomegranate.
make a red color.
Yeah.
But look, those different colors.
Oh.
This.
be from the seed.
From
Yeah,
the seed
from the seed.
inside, yeah. Pomegranate
Yeah.
seed. So inside it's making that color.
Your other hand, okay. Your clean hand, okay. Somebody else, okay.
Before you squeeze it, you
I'm hungry.
It's limestone, okay?
Then squeeze it like this.
Yeah.
Cover it like that.
What you
Oh, okay.
So you don't get out yet. You can squeeze it.
Yeah.
It's more of a nice flashing now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
look.
No way.
Huh.
What's that?
It's like baby blue.
Yeah, look at your screen.
And
Yeah.
yours is like
Because it
turquoise.
depends on your pH. Yeah.
No.
So that's why it's really difficult to repeat the same color twice.
Yeah,
Each color is unique.
Take a picture of that.
that's amazing. Yeah, like you said, you would think it would be red.
Yeah,
Yeah.
everybody thinks that.
It would be rojo.
Yeah.
Well, if you spill it on your shirt and splash out of your mouth, you're got a
get
red
your hand in there.
stain.
Okay, look at this, eh? Oh, wow.
So you remember the how coordination we need to speak?
Yeah.
So in this case, we coordinate our hands, our feet. Because with our feet, we need to move the pedals. Okay, the pedals help me to move and switch the warp
Oh, yeah.
because the color have to be passed through the separation. Okay. So when we start, we decide the spaces depending. We count threads, for example. Okay, we always decide the spaces depend how many threads we take.
So you got to count,
Right.
do your hands, and do your feet.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. And it takes a long time to thread up.
And we use this part to press it to make it tight. And we need to work
That's a real art.
color
A
by
real
color.
art. That's amazing.
Painting and drawing, which has circles, for example, that this tree of life, many birds,
The tree of life, yeah.
butterflies.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that, eh?
Really complex.
So beautiful. Yeah.
Really complex.
Wow.
This is a more modern take, right?
Look at the detail in that, though. Like, really. That's incredible.
This is the real value. How long we spent?
What would this?
Yes.
How long?
Oh, this takes almost 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. And this takes the half time. Same size, the same quantity of wool, for example.
Yeah.
But the work is
Yeah, look at the detail in this one, though. Like,
So, basically, the real values depends on how long we spend. It's not really on size.
Yeah.
This is just the cochineal, the black, the red, dark red, purple. The indigo.
these are absolutely beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful.
Example, the tree of life. Look this, it's small, but has many depth.
Oh, I like that one with the cross. That is beautiful. I love that. Wow.
So the geometrical or the design, remember, have to be reversible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm, that's nice,
The
too.
flowers. Yeah. So in this case, you decide to put it on the floor, you hang it on the wall,
Mm-hmm.
on the
Oh, handbags and everything, eh?
furniture.
Hmm.
It's- We use the
Nice
one
bag.
and we make the pillowcases, we make purses. Because we memorize this design.
Yeah.
We don't need any picture to copy.
You've done it before.
No.
Oh, yeah, he's done it before. Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah, because the Zapotec designs, all these are around 6 or 7 designs. So when we start, when we are 12, so in all our life we made it several times.
Yeah.
So 1 time, 2 times, so we
Yeah.
memorize it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, from that young of age, starting to do that, I guess. Yeah, it's just second nature. Just like breathing.
Yeah.
Incredible. That's a real art.